All right, we're looking at a 2017 Iron 883 Sportster. This motorcycle is in black denim, and one nice little additional add-on to this motorcycle is the saddlebags in the back. So this is a fantastic bike to ride around urban areas, ride around the city in, commute back and forth to work. The miles per gallon is great. It's a fun bike, it looks great, and it's priced right at $79.99. You can see this bike and all of our inventory at desertwindhd.com. If you're interested in this bike, stop down, take it for a test ride. If you'd like all the specs and pricing, you can check that out again at desertwindhd.com.